Have you ever walked into your bathroom and noticed a musty smell, dark spots in the corners, or fog that seems to linger forever after a shower? You're not alone. Bathrooms are one of the most humid places in any home, and that constant moisture creates the perfect environment for mold and mildew to thrive. While regular cleaning and proper ventilation are essential, nature can also lend a helping hand. Believe it or not, certain indoor plants actually love humid conditions. These moisture-loving plants can absorb some excess humidity from the air, improve indoor air quality, and make your bathroom feel fresher and more inviting. Although no plant can completely eliminate mold on its own, combining the right plants with good bathroom habits can help create an environment that is less favorable for mold growth. The best part is that these plants don't just work hard behind the scenes. They also transform an ordinary bathroom into a beautiful, relaxing retreat. Imagine stepping into your bathroom and seeing lush green leaves, delicate fronds, and elegant flowers that instantly make the space feel like a luxurious spa. In this video, we're revealing 5 amazing indoor plants that thrive in bathroom humidity and can help keep your space looking and feeling healthier. These plants are easy to care for, stunning to display, and perfect for both large and small bathrooms. Stay until the end, because we'll also share a few bonus tips that work together with these plants to help you reduce moisture and keep mold under control naturally. If you're ready to turn your bathroom into a greener, fresher, and healthier sanctuary, let's get started. Number 1. Spider plant, the easy care humidity lover. The spider plant is one of the best choices for a bathroom because it's incredibly adaptable and easy to care for. Even if you've never owned a houseplant before, this resilient green beauty is almost impossible to kill. Its long, graceful leaves arch outward like a fountain, instantly bringing freshness and life to any bathroom. Spider plants naturally enjoy humid environments. In fact, the moisture generated by hot showers often mimics the conditions of their native habitat. Because of this, they tend to thrive in bathrooms with moderate to bright indirect light. One reason this plant is so popular is its ability to improve indoor air quality. Spider plants can absorb certain airborne pollutants and help create a fresher environment. Their leaves also capture tiny particles from the air, contributing to a cleaner-feeling space. Another advantage is their compact size. They fit beautifully on countertops, shelves, or hanging baskets. As the plant matures, it produces adorable baby plants called spiderettes that hang from long stems, creating an elegant cascading effect. Caring for a spider plant is remarkably simple. Water it only when the top layer of soil feels dry. It prefers bright, indirect sunlight, but can tolerate lower light conditions often found in bathrooms. Although spider plants won't completely eliminate mold, they appreciate humidity and can absorb some moisture from the air. When paired with good ventilation and regular cleaning, they become an excellent addition to a bathroom wellness routine. Their low-maintenance nature, beautiful appearance, and love for humidity make spider plants a fantastic choice for anyone wanting a greener and fresher bathroom. Number 2. Boston Fern, the tropical moisture expert. If you want your bathroom to feel like a tropical spa, the Boston Fern is the perfect plant. With its lush, feathery fronds and vibrant green color, this fern creates an immediate sense of relaxation and tranquility. Boston ferns absolutely love humidity. In fact, one of the biggest reasons people struggle to keep them alive elsewhere in the home is because indoor air can be too dry. Bathrooms, however, provide exactly the kind of moist environment these plants crave. Their delicate leaves naturally interact with surrounding humidity, making them excellent companions for bathrooms that experience frequent steam from showers. The dense foliage also contributes to a fresher indoor atmosphere and creates an inviting, nature-inspired environment. Boston ferns are particularly attractive because they add texture and fullness to a room. Their graceful fronds can soften the appearance of hard bathroom surfaces such as tile, mirrors, and countertops. A hanging basket near a bright bathroom window can instantly transform the space into a peaceful retreat. To care for a Boston fern, place it in bright, indirect light. Keep its soil slightly moist but avoid waterlogged conditions. Since the plant loves humidity, many bathrooms provide the ideal growing conditions naturally. Although Boston ferns cannot completely remove mold, They thrive in humid spaces and can be part of a healthy strategy for managing bathroom moisture. Combined with proper ventilation and regular cleaning, they help create a more balanced and enjoyable environment. If you're looking for a plant that makes a dramatic visual statement while thriving in bathroom conditions, the Boston Fern deserves a place at the top of your list. Number 3. Peace Lily, the elegant air freshener. The peace lily is one of the most elegant houseplants you can place in your bathroom. Its glossy dark green leaves and beautiful white blooms instantly add sophistication and serenity to the space. What makes the peace lily especially suitable for bathrooms is its love for warm, humid conditions. Bathrooms often provide the exact environment this tropical plant prefers. Even bathrooms with lower light levels can support healthy peace lily growth. The plant has gained worldwide popularity because of its reputation for helping improve indoor air quality. Its lush leaves create a fresh atmosphere and bring a calming presence to the room. Peace lilies are also surprisingly easy to care for. They communicate clearly when thirsty by gently drooping their leaves. A simple watering usually revives them quickly, making them excellent plants for beginners. Their compact growth habit allows them to fit beautifully on bathroom counters, windowsills, and shelves. The striking contrast between dark foliage and white flowers creates an elegant decorative touch that resembles a luxury hotel spa. Because peace lilies appreciate humidity, they often flourish in bathrooms where other plants may struggle. The steam from showers helps maintain the moisture levels they enjoy. Although this plant alone won't prevent mold growth, it can be part of a healthy bathroom environment by thriving in humid conditions and contributing to improved indoor comfort. The peace lily proves that a functional plant can also be stunningly beautiful. Its graceful appearance, simple care requirements, and ability to thrive in moisture make it one of the finest choices for a fresh and inviting bathroom. Number 4. English ivy, the cascading green beauty. The cascading green beauty. English ivy is famous for its elegant trailing vines and timeless beauty. This versatile plant can be displayed in hanging baskets, placed on shelves, or allowed to cascade down cabinets and walls. Bathrooms provide a favorable environment for English ivy because the plant appreciates moderate humidity. The extra moisture generated from showers often helps keep its leaves healthy and vibrant. One of the reasons people love English ivy is its versatility. The cascading vines instantly soften the appearance of hard surfaces and make bathrooms feel more natural and welcoming. Even a small plant can dramatically change the atmosphere of a room. English ivy also creates visual interest by growing outward and downward, making use of vertical space in small bathrooms. Instead of taking up valuable counter space, it can decorate shelves and hanging containers beautifully. To keep English ivy healthy, provide bright indirect light and maintain lightly moist soil. Regular pruning encourages fuller, healthier growth and keeps the vines looking attractive. Although English ivy isn't a magical solution for mold problems, it enjoys humid environments and contributes to creating a greener and fresher atmosphere. When combined with proper ventilation and cleaning practices, it becomes a wonderful addition to your bathroom. Its elegant vines, easy maintenance, and ability to thrive in moisture make English ivy a charming choice for anyone looking to add beauty and freshness to their bathroom space. Number 5. Bamboo palm, the spa-like tropical palm. If your goal is to create a luxurious spa atmosphere, the bamboo palm is an outstanding choice. This graceful palm features slender stems and delicate green, fronds that instantly make a bathroom feel calm and refreshing. Bamboo palms naturally grow in tropical environments, where humidity levels remain consistently high. This makes bathrooms an excellent location for these plants. The steam generated by showers often provides ideal growing conditions. The palm's elegant shape adds height and dimension to a room. Its feathery fronds create movement and softness that contrast beautifully with hard bathroom surfaces. Bamboo palms also contribute to a pleasant indoor atmosphere by helping create a fresh and relaxing environment. Their tropical appearance encourages feelings of calm and wellness, making every visit to the bathroom feel like entering a private retreat. Care for this plant is relatively simple. Place it in medium to bright indirect light and water when the top portion of the soil begins to dry. Avoid placing it in direct sunlight, which may scorch its leaves. Although bamboo palms cannot completely eliminate mold, they thrive in humid spaces and complement other moisture management strategies. Combined with proper ventilation and regular cleaning, they help create a healthier and more inviting bathroom. Their elegant appearance and love of humidity make bamboo palms one of the most rewarding plants for bathroom decoration. Who knew that your bathroom could become the perfect home for beautiful tropical plants? By choosing humidity-loving houseplants like spider plants, Boston ferns, peace lilies, English ivy, and bamboo palms, you can create a greener and more relaxing space that feels fresh and inviting every day. Remember, no plant can completely eliminate bathroom mold by itself. The secret is combining these wonderful plants with healthy habits such as using an exhaust fan, opening windows whenever possible, wiping away excess moisture, and maintaining good air circulation. The beauty of these plants goes beyond their practical benefits. They introduce nature into one of the most frequently used rooms in your home, transforming an ordinary bathroom into a peaceful retreat where you can relax and recharge. Whether your bathroom is large or small, bright or dimly lit, there's a humidity-loving plant on this list that can thrive in your space. Start with one plant and see how it changes the atmosphere. Before long, you may find yourself wanting to create an entire indoor jungle right in your bathroom. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more houseplant tips, gardening ideas, and easy ways to create healthier, greener living spaces. Which of these plants would you add to your bathroom first? Let us know in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep growing, keep decorating, and keep bringing nature into your home.